Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your LinkedIn account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which if you wish to delete your account, click on Me at the top section and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now from the Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down and you will find the Close Account option. You can click on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to close. Click on the Continue button and you will be asked to select a reason. After selecting your reason, click on the Next button and you might be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and then click on the Delete Profile button and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you don't log back into your account for the next 15 days, your deletion will become permanent. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.